Welcome to this video. Today I will be showing you a few sites that you can join to work remotely. There are freelancing jobs as well as fixed contract ones. The first on is called Social Bee. Social Bee help to manage social media accounts from one place. You can create, schedule, publish and analyze the accounts to save time and grow those profiles. We are here to join this team. As we scroll down, we can see that they can manage most of the more popular social media such as Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, now called X, LinkedIn and Google profile. You can read up on what they do, and as you can see, it is quite extensive. Let's scroll all the way down to Jobs. Then we go to Freelancing. You can then join by signing up. The next site is Cambly. As you can see, it says Tutor with Cambly. Get paid to chat with people from around the world. It's to tutor English and you get paid weekly. They pay through PayPal, direct deposit and other methods as well. Since they cater to students across the globe, you can tutor anytime, anywhere. You can click on the Get Started button and sign up for this site. Fill in the required details to create your account. The next site is called Mod Squad. They provide customer experience services for the world's best brands. They provide content moderation, customer support, community management and so on. You can see the brands they help to manage, which ranges from Warner Brothers, Vimeo, HarperCollins and so much more. You can see they have an interesting site that has more of a retro vibe about it. If we check out the tab on Our Work, you can see the brands they work with more clearly. One of the brands is Harry Potter. Let's scroll down and here you can see their achievements, and there's quite a few. You can read more about them to see if this aligns with what you want to do. Let's click on Careers. They have a section that tells you why you'd love working there. Working remotely, growth opportunities, work with amazing companies and more. They have benefits for all their employees, including international employees. They also list some of the positions that are open now. If you do not find one you are interested in, keep checking back to see if something comes up. At this time, they have openings for the US as well as the Philippines. So do keep checking if you do not find one that suits you now. I hope you found this valuable, and if you did, please do share, like and subscribe for more content for remote work and also how to make money online. Thank you for watching.